This weekend, we're heading out for a hike at Bukit Larut. Yep, we're still going to do it. So, you'll never believe what we discovered. It's not an animal, nor a plant. Check it out. This is a classic Land Rover Defender 110 station wagon. It is recognizable as one of the official transport jeeps used at Bukit Larut. Private cars and motorcycles are strictly prohibited on the mountain road. The fleet of government-operated Land Rovers, run by the local district council, is the only official vehicle transport allowed to ferry passengers up and down Bukit Larut.